The next core exercise is a dead bug, which is kind of a fun name. So I'm going to show you from the side view here. As a reminder, microphone on the back so my core can't be all the way down like I would usually want it to be. You want a 90-degree angle right here. You don't want your knees to come in like that. You want them to stay right above your hips. And then you can put your hands up just like this, and you can alternate an arm and a leg extension. Like that. If you want to do both at the same time, that gets really challenging. You can make this harder with a dumbbell. One of my favorites, actually. So if you are lying on your back, I really like doing this on a bench, but the floor is fine too. You're just not going to alternate the arm lower down unless you have 2 dumbbells, which you can, but you can just do this. Like that. Keeping that low core nice and tight. And if I grab the other one and show you that modification, it's going to look like this. So opposite arm, opposite leg. This is such an effective one for the core. I like going down a little bit more with that arm, but it's knocking the bench right now. All right. That's the dead bug. If you have any questions about that one, please let me know.